Hey everybody, Photoman here, back with another video. This is on an old 1923 grain elevator in a place called Sharples. This elevator was built on a siding at Sharples in 1923, the year the CPR built a spur line through the spectacular Badlands Knee Hills Creek Valley from Acme to Drumheller via Carbon and Sharples. The town of Carbon remains, as does the skeleton of the former hamlet of Hesketh, although the elevators have been long demolished at the latter point. Only Kirkpatrick remains to the east and south on this line. The stations along this rail were essential to farmers who lived on the north side of the creek, as the only crossing points are a long way apart. The line closed in 1982 when the second elevator at Sharples, owned by Alberta Wheatpool, built in 1927 by Alberta Pacific Grain Company, was demolished. Although Sharples only had two elevators, for many years it handled a remarkable volume of grain. In 1943 to 44, the Parrish and Heimbecker elevator handled 123,549 bushels.